Let's be real for a second. You're here because you need to make a change. Maybe you're staring at a pile of bills, feeling that familiar knot of anxiety in your stomach. Maybe you're tired of the 9-to-5 grind that pays just enough to keep you coming back, but never enough to get ahead. If you're broke and hungry, you need quick cash right now, not some far-off promise. If you're ready to hustle, you need scalable gigs today, not a business that takes years to build. And if you want freedom, true financial and time freedom, you need smart side income streams that work for you. The goal isn't just to survive, it's to thrive. And that's exactly what we're going to break down today. Forget minimum wage side gigs. We're talking about a clear, actionable blueprint to earning $500 a day. It's not a fantasy, it's a target. And with the right strategy, it's entirely within your reach. So, let's dive into the 3 simple side hustles that can get you there. Number 1. High-ticket freelance services for businesses that pay well. This is about leveraging your skills to solve expensive problems for businesses. Why businesses? Because that's where the money is. An individual might hesitate to pay $500 for a service, but for a business, a $500 investment that generates thousands in return is a no-brainer. You're not just a freelancer, you're a strategic partner. The key is to stop trading time for money at a low hourly rate and start selling high-value packages. Think copywriting for businesses, high-value offers, or design services for businesses, premium packages. Instead of charging $50 an hour, you create a specific outcome-focused package. For example, a website conversion copy package, or a startup logo and brand identity kit. So, how do you get started? First, identify a marketable skill. This could be anything from writing, graphic design, video editing, social media management, to SEO optimization. If you don't have a skill, pick one and learn it. There are countless free and low-cost resources online. Second, create a simple portfolio. You don't need years of experience. Create 3 high-quality spec projects, work you do for a fictional client, to showcase your ability. Third, find your first clients. Start with platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to build momentum, but don't stay there. Your goal is to use LinkedIn, cold email, or even local networking to connect directly with businesses in a specific niche, like dentists, real estate agents, or tech startups. Now, let's talk pricing. Charge about $500 per client and deliver a focused package. This is your entry point. 1 client a day, and you've hit your goal. A $500 package could be 5 pages of website copy, a complete brand style guide, or a 1-month social media content calendar. The biggest pitfall to avoid here is scope creep. Always use a simple contract that clearly defines the deliverables, the number of revisions, and the project timeline. This protects you and sets professional expectations from the start. Number 2. Local premium handyman services, or local premium cleaning services. Don't underestimate the power of local, in-person services. While everyone is chasing online gold, there's a massive underserved market right in your neighborhood. The key word here is premium. You're not competing to be the cheapest, you're competing to be the best. This means you show up on time, you communicate professionally, you have clean equipment, you're insured, and you guarantee your work. People will happily pay a premium for reliability and peace of mind. Think about it. Busy professionals, families, and elderly homeowners would rather pay more for someone they can trust than save a few bucks on a flaky, unprofessional service. Getting started is straightforward. First, decide on your service. Are you good at mounting TVs, assembling furniture, and minor repairs? You're a handyman. Are you meticulous and detail-oriented? Offer premium home or office cleaning. Second, get the essential gear. You don't need the most expensive tools, just reliable ones. Third, market yourself locally. This is where you get creative. Print professional flyers and post them in community centers and coffee shops. Create a simple Google business profile so you show up in local searches. Join local Facebook groups and Nextdoor to offer your services. Word of mouth is king in this business, so your first few jobs are your most important marketing tool. The math is simple. 2 jobs at $250 each gets you $500 per day. A $250 handyman job could be assembling a large piece of furniture and mounting a heavy mirror. A $250 cleaning job could be a deep clean of a 3-bedroom house. These are repeatable and quick. Once you build a reputation, you can schedule clients back to back, maximizing your earning time. The biggest pitfall? Underestimating your costs and time. When you quote a job, factor in travel time, fuel, supplies, and insurance. Use a scheduling app to stay organized and avoid double booking. Professionalism is what turns a one-time job into a recurring client who refers you to all their friends. Number 3. Niche dropshipping using paid ads for scaling. This is for those who want to build a system that can make money even while they sleep. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products online without ever holding any inventory yourself. When a customer buys from your store, you simply forward the order to a supplier who ships the product directly to the customer. Your profit is the difference between what the customer paid you and what you paid the supplier. The key to success in 2024 isn't selling random trending junk. It's about building a real brand around a niche product that solves a specific problem or serves a passionate community. Think ergonomic travel pillows for frequent flyers, or sustainable coffee accessories for eco-conscious brewers. Here's the game plan. First, product research. Spend 80% of your time here. Look for products with a wow factor that aren't easily found in stores. Use tools like TikTok's ad library or product research software to see what's already working. Second, find a reliable supplier on a platform like CJ Dropshipping or Zendrop, which offer faster shipping and better service than the old-school options. Order a sample to test the quality yourself. Third, build a clean, professional-looking one-product store using Shopify. Don't clutter it. Focus entirely on showcasing the benefits of your single-star product. Now for the scaling engine, paid ads. Validate a winning product before you scale ads. Start with a small daily budget on platforms like TikTok or Facebook, testing different video ads and audiences. Your initial goal is not to get rich, but to gather data. Are people clicking? Are they adding to cart? Are they buying? Scale paid ads once a product shows consistent sales. When you find a combination of ad and audience that brings in profitable sales, you gradually increase the ad spend. This is how you go from 1 sale a day to 10, then 20. To hit your $500 daily goal, you don't need hundreds of orders. Aim for multiple $250 orders per day to hit $500. Or more realistically, if your product has a $25 profit margin, you need 20 sales a day. This is very achievable with a winning product and effective advertising. The biggest pitfall is poor financial management. Quick tip: focus on healthy profit margins first. You must know your numbers: product cost, shipping cost, transaction fees, and ad spend. If your profit margin is too thin, you have no room for error and can't afford to scale. Now, regardless of which path you choose, there are 3 universal rules for success. First, build repeatable systems to deliver consistent results. For freelancing, this means templates for proposals and contracts. For local services, it's a checklist for every job. For dropshipping, it's a clear process for testing products and launching ads. Systems create efficiency and allow you to scale without burning out. Second, stick to one marketing channel and master it. Don't try to be on TikTok, Facebook, Google, and LinkedIn all at once. Pick the one channel that makes the most sense for your chosen hustle and become an expert at it. Master one before you even think about adding a second. Third, and most importantly, take imperfect action. Don't wait for the perfect business plan or the perfect website. The only way to learn is by doing. Start small, get feedback, and iterate. Your first attempt won't be perfect, but it will be better than doing nothing at all. The journey to $500 a day begins with a single step. You have the blueprint. You have the strategies. The only variable left is you. Are you ready to put in the work? To help you get started immediately, I've put together a free starter pack with checklists and resources for each of these 3 hustles. Want a checklist? Hit follow and get a free starter pack. Now go make it happen.